Hey guys, what is up? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today I'm going to show you some uses of the Seagate Expansion 1 TB external hard disk here. And if you have a dead one, please don't throw it away because it actually has something that is very useful for all of us here. So let's try and open this up and let you see the inside. So they are held down by tabs, clips only, so all you have to do is just clip open. This one I have opened a few times, so as you can see some of the clips have already come off. So by right it should be very tight, and as you can see it's actually empty here. But in fact we actually have this thing inside here which connects to the hard disk and lets you connect to the USB hub like so. And so the actual use of this is that you can actually use this as an external hard disk reader or SSD reader if it comes in this kind of interface. For example, the 2.5-inch hard disk and SSD, and even the 3.5-inch hard disk. And so what you can do is actually, even if you have a dead hard disk here, all you have to do is just replace the hard disk here with any working 2.5-inch HDD or SSD, and you will working fine again. So you don't have to actually go and buy an entire new external drive again. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. And inside of it comes with all of these 4 screws here. This screw, this is for you to put it onto each side of your hard disk, and so you just have to screw this in. Next up, you can connect this USB header to this HDD here, like so. This only works on Seagate's design. As far as I know, WD has a non-detachable USB header here, so even if your hard disk is dead, you cannot replace this. So this is what I find about good things about Seagate. And you have 4 of this rubber dome here. You can put it here. This is to prevent vibration and locks your hard disk into place in the case. So and so. And here is another cover here where you put on top of this, on the back of this. Like so. And all you have to do is just to align this hole, and all you have to do is just align this hole here, push it in, and then you have this done here, and then just clip it back on. So as you can see, this plastic case is only a housing. The main thing you need to have is the USB cable and the USB header. And so if your hard disk is dead, all you have to do is just to change the hard disk inside and not buy an entire new external hard drive here. So that is all from me, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share if you find this useful, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.